One loves the ice cream truck. Iggy, the ice cream truck, is doing his rounds of the neighborhood. All the little animals are listening out for Iggy's musical chimes. As Iggy drives down the street, he starts to play his favorite tune. Iggy stops near the little ones. They excitedly begin to form a queue. Dana, the driver, is ready to serve ice creams. The little pig has strawberry with sprinkles. The little mouse has chocolate with wafers. The little dog has vanilla ice cream. The twin tortoises have mint ice creams. Am I too old to order an ice cream? An old lady is in the queue too. Dana replies, "You're never too old to enjoy ice cream." After all, everyone loves the ice cream truck.